Hey everyone, so this video is just a quick shout out to all of you out there. Just letting you know I will be filming a Q&A video soon, or at least I really want to film a Q&A video, which is a question and answer video soon. I don't know if I'll be doing it on this channel or on my ASMR channel or both. If I do get enough questions, I will film 2 lots of videos. So please feel free to leave me as many questions as you'd like below in the comments section. If you want me to answer the question in a normal video style, please just let me know. If you have a specific question you would like me to answer in an ASMR video, please also let me know down in the comments. But please feel free to leave as many questions as you would like, because I am very much looking forward to filming a Q&A, and I just want to have as many questions as I can so I can go through as many as possible. So feel free to leave me any comments down in the comment section below and include your questions for me. Also, if you want to leave me any questions somewhere else, please feel free to let me know on Facebook or on Instagram. All my social media details will actually be below in the description box as well. So if you do want to contact me via that means, please feel free to do so. I hope you all are enjoying your day so far wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.